Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the BPMIO B20 robot vacuum and mop combo. A powerhouse of cleaning technology with unrivaled 5,500 pascals suction power, effortlessly tackling dust and stains while intelligently boosting suction on carpets for a deep clean. Equipped with cutting-edge LiDAR navigation and an advanced SLAM algorithm, the B20 swiftly maps your home, creating up to 5 precise floor maps and using 10 infrared sensors to prevent collisions and falls, ensuring every corner, sofa, and cupboard is spotless. This versatile 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo features a 290 ml electronically controlled water tank with adjustable water levels, a 260 ml dustbin, and a HEPA filter to capture 99.69% of dust particles, transitioning smoothly between floor types with its large wheels. With smart app and voice control, you can schedule cleaning sessions, set forbidden areas, and command the B20 via Alexa or Google Assistant, ensuring a spotless home at your convenience. The B20's efficient self-charging design means it autonomously returns to its charging station when needed, resuming cleaning once fully powered, thanks to its precise SLAM algorithms. At BPMIO, we prioritize customer satisfaction with 24/7 support, making the B20 robot vacuum cleaner an ideal gift for loved ones, especially the elderly or those with limited mobility.